So this is a 90 FPS drop test in the Realme GT Neo 2 exactly in the boot camp. As you can clearly see, 90 FPS drop test. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video I'm going to demonstrate the Battlegrounds mobile game 90 FPS drop test in the Realme GT Neo 2 device. Yes friends, right now I'm trying to play the game at 90 FPS. I'll try to show you the real-time FPS statistics as well. As you can clearly see, 90 FPS has been enabled exactly at this moment. And let's start playing the game. You might be thinking that 90 FPS is coming only in the lobby, but that's not correct. It's coming even while playing the game as well. I'll try to exactly play the game right now. As you can see, the 90 FPS. So clearly this is the Realme GT Neo 2 device with the Battlegrounds mobile game playing at 90 FPS in the Snapdragon 870 chipset right now. So you'll be able to see the real-time statistics. Even I'll try to do the FPS drop test in the boot camp. So right now, so just for the demonstration purpose, I thought of showing you in the normal match, in the team match. So right now, as you can see in the team match, I'm getting 90 FPS, which is working fantastic. As you can see friends clearly, 90 FPS, right, in the Realme GT Neo 2 device. So this is a 90 FPS after the recent Realme UI 3.0 update in the Realme GT Neo 2 device. Let's see friends, how is the gameplay experience going to be there in the Realme GT Neo 2. And make sure to follow my Telegram channel for the APKs what I've used to get this 90 FPS. So let me show you my Telegram channel in case if you're not aware of that. So this is my Telegram channel SciTech Guru YT. As you can see, I'll try to post the GFX tool and the config file necessary to play at 90 FPS. And even I'll try to post in the Realme GT Neo 2 individual group. Their separate group is available for the Realme GT Neo 2. So you can actually join there as well to get more information about the device. But right now I'm trying to play the game at 90 FPS. And you should be able to see exactly playing at 90 FPS in the Realme GT Neo 2 now, right now exactly. As you can see friends, overall the gameplay experience looks pretty good. 90 FPS I'm getting. So it was able to maintain pretty standard and pretty good regarding the FPS count. So 90 FPS, right? So perfectly all right. I'll let you do the classic team drop test as well in the boot camp. So after this match, I'll ready to do the drop test. So right now, as you can see, not bad. Right now, as you can see friends, I was able to play pretty good. Nothing much major problems on 90 FPS. So definitely it's kind of playing pretty good. So after this match, I'll try to play the classic match and I'll try to do the drop test exactly in the boot camp. So let's go back and start playing the 90 FPS in the boot camp. So right now, as you can see, friends, I'm trying to do the exactly the drop test in the boot camp. Let's see. Let's find out what will be the FPS overall while doing drop test. So 88 and 86 it's maintaining. 77 the lowest value which we did see right now. 77, and make sure to join my Telegram group, friends, SciTech Guru YT. So I'll try to post the GFX tool and config file necessary over there. So join my Telegram group and there you can get the files necessary as well. And right now, as you can see, and this is my first time doing the Battlegrounds mobile game FPS drop test after the stable Realme UI 3.0 update. Yes, so after the stable update, this is my first time doing. So let's see. So how is the experience? And overall, till now, I did not have any kind of issues while playing with the 90 FPS in this device. But the temperature seems to be increasing slightly kind of high. It did increase up to 41 degrees. 41, but that's kind of normal because of 90 FPS. So these are the overall gameplay experience and review on the Realme GT Neo 2. And make sure to join my Telegram group for more updates on this one. And very soon I'll try to post the video as well how to get this 90 FPS possible in this Realme GT Neo 2. As soon as possible, I'll try to upload the video. So stay tuned for those videos in case if you're interested to play at 90 FPS. So right now, as you can see the drop test, how much FPS is maintaining during this process as well, regarding the drop test. So right now, as you can clearly see, friends, how is the experience? So it's kind of pretty smooth regarding the FPS drop test, nothing much huge problems I have noticed. Right now, as you can see, friends, all of the gameplay experience looks pretty good and smooth, not bad. And thank you for watching this video, friends, and until stay tuned for more updates. And meanwhile, signing off until then. Bye. Stay tuned for more updates as well regarding the drop test. I'll definitely post the video as well very soon how to enable the 90 FPS. So stay tuned for those videos. And only using the GFX tool only, this kind of 90 FPS is possible at this moment. In the Realme GT Neo 2 device. Meanwhile, signing off until then, stay tuned for more videos and bye.